Probably not one of my better ideas here. Picnic table just flipped up on its side.
So if you watch the channel much, you may notice that I'm on a different bike. The bike I'm riding today belongs to my brother, and it's a Honda 300 Rally.
This is the trestle at right above Chestoa. You know, I'm just sitting here looking at it, you start thinking about the fact that, I mean, I don't know, that's a good 20 feet maybe to the bottom of it. And the water was running into the side of it. Stuff getting pushed underneath it, so pretty crazy.
All the birds in the clover, they were tired of the sky. So they laid in the cover. Now they wait for the moonlight. It was all in the evening. The wind carried the clouds. They were all full of courage.
See if we can ride up here to the USA Raft. It's closed down, obviously, for the whole summer. But this is one place I've not been back to since the flood. So I'm wanting to go down here where we just went. I'd like to go up to No Business in Unicoi Springs, then to the Ephraim place, which is up Rock Creek, and if the sun's still up, I'd like to head down into Poplar and look at the trestle over there. So I decided to stop off here at the hospital. We'll get some shots of it real quick. I mean, not much has changed. It's still closed up. I mean, I'm guessing they'll eventually tear it down, but just kind of crazy looking, this dead grass that's growed up out in front of it. So take a look at it. Whoa. I don't know if you can see it, but golly, it's been one of them days. Like, it seems like no matter what I try to do, I just can't get nothing shot. The drone's starting to update for whatever reason. Starting to think maybe this is going to be an epic fail kind of day. But trying to update it now, and we'll see what happens. But there's the hospital. I don't know if you can really see it, but that's the hospital that they had to rescue people off of the roof of. So hopefully the drone updates. Whoa, super zoomed in. Hopefully the drone updates and we'll get a closer shot of it. Guess I'm giving up on drone stuff today. This has just turned into an aggravating mess. First video back and nothing's working. I guess that's what I get for letting this stuff sit around for a month. Just do some riding around. Save the drone stuff for another day, I guess. I don't know. But we've got this bike to ride, so we'll get turned around here. I guess we'll just go kind of explore around a little bit. So you can see the brush pile over here, it's gotten a lot smaller, which is good. This is what's left of the old linear trail. Used to be a really popular walking trail here in Erwin. You would come out through here and there was a bridge that crossed back that way. Obviously it's gone, along with the rest of the trail. There used to be a gazebo right here. Let's see if there's anything in the trail. Yeah, you still see the old trail. And there's the waste treatment facility that they got flooded really badly. I don't know what the full status of it is. And then here's the other part of the linear trail. Yeah, super flooded looking. Still a mess. Sheesh. Probably not one of my better ideas here. Used to come down here and run quite a bit. walk, whatever, bicycle. Never would have imagined it looking like this. And I'd say this looks a lot better than what it did 9 months ago. Go around this. And you can see there all the, about a foot of dirt. Picnic table just flipped up on its side. We used to bring the kids down here when they was little and they'd play on this playground. I'm surprised any of this is still here, but I guess the water didn't get too crazy swift right in this area. And there's the dog pound. That's been a hot topic here lately, here in the Unicoi County. And if you don't know, go to Facebook, look up Unicoi County Animal Shelter, and you'll find all kinds of stuff. If the drone was working, we'd head on over to Poplar and check all that out, but I don't want to ride all the way over just to have the drone fly 50 feet away from me and stop. So we'll get all that figured out and head out here in a couple days. I'm not gonna lie, riding around on this bike has kind of got me wanting one. It's pretty fun bike to ride. Where it's smaller, it's just easier to ride around. So yeah, slightly different video today, which had bigger plans, but one, I'm shooting this in the evening after work, so just not a ton of time. Two, kind of out of the groove. I took the month off, just crazy busy month with my daughter's travel softball stuff starting back up, and just decided there was just too much going on in June, so decided to take the month off from shooting video, and kind of got everything caught up now to where we can start trying to put more stuff out. Plus, we've had a couple of companies reach out and send different devices over, just like this one right here, to test it, check it out, see what we think about it, see what I think about it, and show it to you guys and see what you think about it. You know, and if you're somebody that rides, these are some pretty cool items that we're going to have some discounts on, and you'll be able to purchase straight from the manufacturer. But those videos won't be out for another week or two. There's two separate ones. One's on this bike and the other one is on the GS. But, and fun fact, I am currently on Section 9 of the Southeastern BDR. It runs right through my hometown here in Erwin. So plan on riding all of Section 9 here in the next couple of weeks and doing a video on it.
And that's about all I've got. So I guess the only thing left to do for today is to head on out and watch some fireworks with the family. Hope you guys have a great 4th.
Thanks again for watching. And if you made it this far in the video, please consider clicking the like button and sharing the video around. And if you're not already, I'd ask you to subscribe. Oh, and YouTube thinks you're going to like this next video in that window.